Hello friends, I am Neeraj Sharma from Biyani College, group of colleges. I am assistant professor in IT in information technology, and right now I am presenting my some topic about advanced Java, which is called Servlet. So basically, what is Servlet? Define the Servlet. We can define Servlet in a class which is advanced Java class, and we can extend capability of servers using of servlets and respond in incoming requests. So basically, what we can do, basically we can get the request from the user, and after get the request, we can proceed to the web server. So first of all, we should be extend the web server as well as some capabilities as some request which we want to be accessed. Second of thing, we can respond any type of request. Any type of request can be accessed in servlets. So servlet is nothing, it's basically a class which is defined in advanced Java. So advanced Java is basically introduce a servlet. First of all, we must to know about the some part of JDBC also. So Java database connectivity is a basic part of servlet. So we can use web servers also to execute a servlet and implement application hosting also. So for execute a web server, for example, we have the Tomcat web server as well as Resin web server, and a lot of web server is in market. So first of all, we should know about it, how the server is to be response to and how it can be execute the process. So after that, we can deploy our application, web application onto the server. First of all, then application servers, basically Tomcat, Resin, and these are all servers which we use the Java X API, which is related with the packages. Friends, we can use the Java X extension basically for advanced Java J2EE API. Basically in core Java we use the Java directly Java module. So we use the Java.io.packages is there, Java.lang packages is there, but in advanced Java we have the Java X extension. So it's defined the extension part of the Java, which is basically the advanced Java part and enterprise. Friends, let's discuss about the process of servlet, how a servlet can be processed. First of all, we must to know about the web container, which web container we are using for the servlet. It maintains the life cycle of the servlet instance. So first of all, we should know about how the servlet instance to be created. After that, we have to be loaded the servlet, and after that instance must be loaded into the init method. Init method is only access only once in the servlet, so we cannot access many of times the servlet init method. So service method is executed again and again. It can be used for web logics, logic programming, and business logics. After that, we can use the destroy method. Destroy method is also same as the init method, but destroy method is used for destroy the object, and init method is used for initialization of the object. So we can use the init and destroy method only once in the servlet. So after discussing the process of servlet, then we can discuss about the life cycle. What is the life cycle of servlet? Basically, we discussed that we have the three type of methods. First of all, we have the init method, then service method, then destroy method. So three methods are basically used for the servlet. So we first use the load servlet class. This is the first process to create a servlet, or this is the first basic part of life cycle of servlet. Then instance should be created. Instance will be created in the object. So basically object is called the instance. So servlet instance should be created after creating the servlet class or load the servlet class. Then init method will be created. Init method is basically initialize the variable or initialize the object which is we are defining inside the servlet. So after that, we use the service method. Service method is basically have the two type of methods. First is called do get method, and second is called do post method. Do get method is nothing, it's basically URL which we are going to be proceed inside the parameters. So on that time, parameter can be pass out into the URL part. So this URL can be proceed by the do get method. After that, we can discuss about the do post method. This do post method is nothing, it's we can define the all parameters inside the do post method, and in URL part there is some security issues in get method, so that security issue can be resolved in do post method. So do post method is basically is a secure method for the servlet which we can define. After that we can use the destroy method. Destroy method is called when we release the object. So after the release the object we can use the destroy method, means garbage collection can be occupy or can be call into the destroy method. So basically service method is the important method. Service method is using the business logics. So all the do post and do get method should be there. One of either can be used, but the thing is the do post method is very secure method, but do get method is less secure, because we are using URL, and inside the URL we are passing the parameters, and number of limited parameters we can pass in the get method, and in post method we can pass more than lot of parameters that is not be predefined. So for example, we want to use login page, and we want to use the two parameters, that login username and password. Then we can username and password we can pass out into the get method. And after that post method is nothing, it's we can pass number of parameters which we are not use, or we are not know about it, but we have lot of parameters we can pass it. Friends, if you like my video, then please share and subscribe on gurukpo.com. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.